Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for accessing this video. This video is all about how can you judge educational prospects in horoscope. Okay, so let me talk to you about which are the houses responsible for the education. So most importantly, you have to see the 4th house, 5th house, 9th house, and 3rd and 8th houses also matters a lot for checking the educational prospects in the horoscope. So most importantly, 4th house denotes the basic education, which is until school 5, and post school post 5th standard we have to check house number 5. So 5th house talks about high school education until graduation, and 9th house talks about post graduation, PhD, and all those studies. So the master's degrees comes under the 9th house. So basically the 4th house, 5th house, 9th house has to be checked. And also most importantly, some people will be taking up the research studies, R&D work. So those people, 3rd house has to be checked because 3rd house should be stronger. And 8th house talks about occult sciences and secret studies, which involves the detective agents, all that education and all comes under 8th house. And 2nd house talks about ability of expression and also native scholarly knowledge and also learnedness. So basically 2nd house has to be checked with how much learned this person can be, how much of grasping power this person has, how much of memory power can be seen from the 3rd and the 2nd house. Okay, so basically most important house to check for the educational prospects is 5th and 9th houses. Okay, make sure that we have to ensure that there should not be any malefics staying in the 5th house and 9th house, and also 5th lord and the 9th lord should be sitting in the benefic sign, and most importantly it should not have any kind of malefic aspects like from Sun, Mars, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu. So most importantly, Jupiter placement and Mercury placement also has to be referred. Why? Because Jupiter is the personification of knowledge. Okay, Jupiter represents education, knowledge, wisdom, and also it should be in the good placement. It should be having the benefic aspect from Moon or Venus. Okay, and also Mercury placement also has to be checked because Mercury talks about intelligence, memory power, grasping power, business acumen, business mindset, all can be seen from the Mercury. And also the Mahadasha planets and Antradasha planets also has to be referred, which Mahadasha this person belongs to. For Lagna, this Mahadasha becomes a favor or against. So that also has to be checked. And also who is the 5th house lord, who is the 9th house lord, and also Chaturmamsa chart has to be checked. That is D4 chart has to be analyzed as well. Which nakshatra the 5th house planets are staying, which Mahadasha this person is ruling. So if at all you have 5th house lord placed in the 6th, 8th or 12th houses, or 9th house lord placed in the 6th, 8th or 12th houses, there will be obstacles and some people even discontinue their education. Depending upon the malefic alignment in your birth chart, we have to talk about the educational prospects. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If at all you need my consultation, the link is mentioned in the description section. Once I get an order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your birth chart. Okay, so see you in the consultation and bye for now.